I'm pleased to introduce the next group of performers featuring talented voices of employees and retirees from across the company. Celebrating the 101st anniversary of their founding, please join me in welcoming to the stage the Travelers Chorale, directed by Ken Ferris and accompanied by Stacy Cahoon, as they perform an appropriate song for today, Singing in the Rain.
Thought we would sing something that was appropriate for this evening. The song we will be doing is called Singing in the Rain. And it is raining up. You live? Technical. Ooh, that sounded good. You ready? Sing, 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 singing in the rain. Sing, sing, singing